Experience with Maven install and Maven clean command. Good, John. Can we get more idea about Maven compile command, please? Yes, sure. Let's get started.
In last session, we have covered how to apply Maven clean command and Maven install command in both the ways in Eclipse and in command prompt. I hope you have referred the video. I'll share the video in description. You may just try to check this out and kindly understand how we can use the install and clean command in Maven. Now we should move on with other commands. One of the popular command we are using in Maven is called compile command. Now compile command we are using for to compile the source code, and it is used to create a class file of Java in target folder. Okay, you can see the target folder here. So inside we have not actually any class file, but it will be creating a class file once we are compiling the source code. Alright, so how can we use in Eclipse? I'll just try to show you. So first of all, we just have to right click over the project, click on run as, and then we should click on there is no any command they have specified like compile, so we should click on Maven build, and here we should type compile. Once you have typed compile in goals, then you should click on run, or you can apply and run this. It would take a while to complete the process, and you can see we have got the output as build success. It is one of the way that we can practically apply Maven in Maven, like we can use Maven compile command in this way in Eclipse. Let's talk about the other way. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel as of now, kindly subscribe, because in my daily routine, whenever I'm getting time, I'm just trying to upload a new video for my students. Kindly get the advantage. Definitely, I'm sure about it that you may get something new in your learning. It will be enhancing your skill in core Java concepts, especially in programming. So kindly subscribe, share with your friends, and like all the videos. Let's talk about the other way of checking the command of Maven, especially in command prompt. So let me try to go to the location first. Right click on the project, properties, and you should click here and go in this project, and at the address bar you just have to type cmd. You will be navigated to the command prompt window. You can see the window will be open, and here is the path which is actually indicating the project. And now here we should type Maven. Maven, we have to apply here a compile command, so I can type here mvn compile. Once you have typed it, you just have to press enter key of your keyboard. It should wait for a while, and you can see here it is successfully compiled. Right, build success we have received. If you are getting any runtime exception, or you are getting error in command prompt, kindly give your screenshot of that error in comment box. I will reach out to you and give the solution for that problem. All right team, thank you, and have a great day. Kindly specify all the